Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Which of the following expresses the circumference of circle inscribed in sector OAB with radius capital R and AB is equal to 2A is given to you. That means the circumference of this circle, which circle has been asked to you? The circumference of this circle has been asked to you. This circle I have darkened it over here. In terms of capital R and small a is asked to you. Now let's enlarge the figure my dear students so that I can make you understand each and everything very properly. Guys, I can see two triangles over here. You might be wondering which two triangles we are supposed to see over here, sir. Guys, this yellow colored triangle. Can you see? Yes sir, we can see this yellow colored triangle. Now, which else triangle you are talking about, sir? This red colored triangle, my dear students. Can you see? Yes, sir, I can see red colored triangle also. Now, sir, what you would be going to tell it to us in these two triangles? My dear students, we can see this is a small a you are knowing. This is also a small a you are knowing. Radius of same sector it will be. So, capital R, this will be becoming over here. What else? ON is common. ON is common in these two triangles. So in triangle OAN and triangle OBN, what can be written by me? OA is equal to OB is equal to capital R. It will be radii of same sector. Radii of same sector. Now what else should be written by us? AN is equal to BN it will be. Guys, both of them has been marked by them as a small a in the figure given. In figure itself is given to you. And ON is equal to ON it will be common. So what can I see, sir? Triangle OAN will be congruent to triangle OBN by triple S congruency criteria. Now by CPCT, we'll be going to write angle ANO is equal to angle BNO by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Let both of them equal to X over here. But angle ANO plus angle BNO will be equal to 180 degree. By linear pair axiom we are knowing. That means 2x is equal to 180 degree. That means x is equal to 90 degree. So which x should be considered by you? This angle as 90 degree should be considered by you. Even this angle will be becoming what? 90 degree over here. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now tangent is always perpendicular to radius. So this will be becoming what? 90 degree over here. Guys, when red triangle and yellow triangle was becoming congruent, so I can even write angle AON is equal to angle BON. Let both of them equal to theta over here by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So this angle I am assuming theta over here. Now guys, sin theta I will be equating in two triangles. Which two triangles? Sin theta in triangle MQO. In triangle MOQ is equal to sin theta in triangle AON. Triangle AON I will be writing. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse we knew. Okay. So MOQ sin theta will be becoming OM divided by hypotenuse is what we are knowing. QM divided by OM it will be becoming. Perpendicular is QM we are knowing. And hypotenuse is OM we are knowing. And their perpendicular is AN we are knowing. And hypotenuse is OA we are knowing. Now what is the value of QM we are knowing? Small r is the value of QM we are knowing. OM is equal to what it will be becoming? Capital R minus small r it will be becoming. Because this is small r you are knowing. This whole is capital R you are knowing. So that means capital R minus small r it will be becoming. And what is AN you are knowing? AN is equal to small a you are knowing. What is OA you are knowing? OA is equal to capital R you are knowing. So guys, what has been asked to you? The value of circumference, that means 2 pi r. 2 pi small r has been asked to you. Now we'll be going to make use of this thing to solve it further. How it can be solved further by me. We know one expression we have derived over here. r upon r minus r is equal to a upon r. I wanted to get the value of which value we want to get from here. The small r value I want from here. So rr is equal to ra minus ra can be written by me. That means ra plus ra is equal to ra can be written by me. Now what can be taken common by me? R can be taken common by me. So it will be becoming ra divided by r plus a is equal to small r we know. And guys, 2 pi r is asked to you, that is circumference we are knowing. So will be becoming what? 2 pi multiplied by ar divided by a plus r it will be becoming. Now let's see if there is any option like this. Yeah guys, so option A would be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.